Hello everyone, I'm Meng-chiu from Openfind. You might be wondering why my topic on a commercial seminar is about security regional email frontlines. It sounds like we are at war or something. Well, the truth is we are at war, a cybersecurity war, and Taiwan is indeed on the front lines. For nearly 25 years, I've been working with Openfind, supporting our customers in government sectors as we defend their systems from the relentless attacks of state-sponsored hackers on a daily basis. As the head of product development and marketing communications, I'm here today to share our firsthand experiences. In the next 20 minutes, I'll take you on a journey through the rapid evolving cybersecurity landscape. First, we'll discover the latest trends and tactics employed by advanced persistent threats, or APTs, with a focus on current trends and real examples, especially the new methods deployed by email attacks that we've observed in our large-scale cloud services. Next, I'll provide a brief introduction to our company, Openfind, to give you the context on our unique insights into cloud migration trends and how email protection needs to evolve in the cloud era. Finally, I'll discuss the strategic actions we've taken to address the challenges we face in Asian markets and how we are actively seeking partners to extend our robust email security solutions globally. Just like Verizon and other cloud service providers, our company releases a report on email security annually. This comprehensive report is based on the analysis of 10 million emails we process daily, allowing us to gather extensive data on emerging trends and threats. While the full report is currently available only in Chinese on our website, I will highlight the most critical findings for you today in the next few slides to ensure everyone can benefit from the crucial information we've uncovered. Let's take a closer look at the harsh realities we face here in Taiwan every day. In short, here are the main three findings. First, be wary of Office and zip files. Second, don't assume that you can easily spot the phishing emails or their websites. Even I, having worked with spam samples for decades, can no longer see the differences. Third, there is a surge of new phishing emails originating from China that include QR codes. I'll explain the significance of this later. Based on the entire year of email logs from 2023, among all the file types containing malware like viruses or ransomware, these are the different file types. The top two are RAW and zip files, which account for 45% combined. Then there are doc and docx files, meaning Microsoft Office Word documents, totaling 80%, almost one-fifth of all malware attachments. We can verify these statistics with Verizon's report for 2023, as they have similar findings. The green part represents below 15%, and the blue part is above 15% of their survey subjects, meaning the median is the border between green and blue. In their observation, Office documents account for about a quarter, the same as the executables files or Windows apps. Actually, zip file may decompress into documents or executables. So we can say that over half maybe even 65% of the malware is in the form of Office files and executables. This makes sense because Office files can embed macros, and like executables, they can trigger all kinds of malicious behavior or viruses once users click on them. In the Taiwan CIO survey conducted by IT Home, the most renowned IT and cybersecurity media here, over 40% of more than 400 CIOs identified social engineering as their top concern. The survey results were released just before this seminar and right after my company, Openfind, released our annual report. Both sources point out that social engineering APT attacks are a real headache, not only for average people, but also for the most professionals. Next, I'll show you why. Firstly, we can see this phishing email we collect. It looks very much like a payment result notification from HSBC. The wording, the layout, the logo all appear authentic. Many real emails from banks include attachments that are password-protected zip archives containing bills or important notices, which can only be opened by someone with the correct password. However, in this case, the zip file contains a malicious file. The only giveaway that this is a phishing email is that the email address hidden behind the sender's name is fake. The domain is completely different from HSBC's legitimate domain. After years of research, spam, and phishing emails, what's surprising in this case isn't the phishing email itself. CTBC is another bank in Taiwan, but whether it's HSBC or CTBC, attackers have developed a complete series of bank emails. The reason we are highlighting this case is due to what happened when a recipient clicks the link in the email and is led to this website. The URL is ctbcsupport.com, while the legit website is ctbcbank.com. Most people, except perhaps the IT staff at the bank, wouldn't realize that ctbcsupport.com doesn't belong to the bank. The web's design is 100% identical to the legit website. If we hadn't identified the scam email leading to this site, we wouldn't have known this site was fake. Unfortunately, users without our knowledge could easily be deceived by this site and give away their valuable bank account information and passwords. In this page, we can also see the phishing website impersonating our National Taxation Bureau. The site's design is also 100% identical to the authentic one. However, the domain name they registered for this case isn't convincing enough, so my colleague and I can distinguish it. But how many of our family and friends actually read the URLs before using a website? Especially when there is a notice that seems urgent or mentions a tax refund. This national taxation phishing campaign began right after the tax collection season here. I could bet this scam must have successfully stolen some credit card numbers through their sophisticated design. We also observed a surge in new phishing schemes in 2023, the QR code. As you may know, electronic payments are very popular in China, where people use their smartphones for everything, from buying breakfast to pay tuition fees, etc., etc. Consequently, there is a new type of phishing email that contains no links. Instead, they include QR codes. This email claims to be a tax collection notice, urging immediate action and asking the recipient to scan the QR code and pay the tax now, or they will be fined. This kind of QR code scams, they do not welcome every victim. In our lab, we first use our desktop PCs to access the site indicated by the QR code, and we encountered a message saying, please visit with your phone. When we use our phone to scan the QR code or change our browser's user agent, the malicious nature of this site was revealed. It's a mobile website that looks authentic, and the title is National Taxation Organization in China. And of course, they would like to collect personal IDs, bank accounts, and even bank balances. What's surprising is that they refuse to serve desktop browsers, targeting only smartphone users. Our guess is that smartphones may have fewer protections than desktops, potentially allowing the phishing scheme to evade detection more easily. We don't know whether QR code scamming originated in China or elsewhere. During 2022, in the middle of the COVID pandemic, the FBI of the US government also issued an announcement alerting the public to QR code scams. Based on our research of billions of emails in Taiwan last year, here are some insights we would like to share. First, cybercriminals have improved their phishing website design and mimic legit ones very, very good. These indistinguishable sites and social engineering may cause severe problems. It requires us to be more alert and employ better detection methods. Defending against these phishing attacks demands greater awareness of cybersecurity and also relies on latest intelligence. With cybersecurity intelligence employed to proper protection mechanism, such as the indistinguishable URLs in our examples, can be automatically detected and prevent users from clicking them. Finally, we have observed a new trend in QR code phishing that can bypass most traditional email security systems because the emails contains no links or URLs, just an image file. In the right context, they trick humans into scan with their phones and evade the detections. So upgrading with new detect mechanisms and continuing such research and improvements are essential. Before we move on to the next topic of cloud security, let me briefly introduce our company. This will help you better understand our expertise and why we are equipped to discuss cloud security insights. Openfind was founded in 1998, and since 1999, we have provided email box services similar to Gmail, which started in 2004. Since year 2000, enterprises in Asia began to adopt Openfind's on-premises or SaaS email solutions. Currently, we have 25,000 corporate clients worldwide and have issued over 25 million user licenses. In Taiwan, we have a market share of over 1/3 of all government organizations, especially at higher levels of government, as they demand a high level of cybersecurity. Our extensive professional expertise in software development and cloud service our comprehensive email protection make us the only qualified local vendor they trust. 70% of the top-tier government in Taiwan have adopted our solutions. In this decade, as the Taiwanese government has promoted cloud computing and encouraged public sectors to use SaaS over on-premises solutions, Openfind, as a software vendor with cloud service experience, has naturally become the first choice under this trend. Here is our product and cloud service portfolio. At the center is our email box service, MailCloud. It protected by our secure email gateway system, MailGates. MailGates filters all the viruses, spams, and IPTs. I was the first to work on R&D for this SEG product back in 2004. Additionally, thanks to our founder, Dr. Sun Wu, renowned in the informational retrieval domain, our email archiving solution, Mailbase, is also well known for its efficiency and reliability. For over 25 years, we've developed not just email servers, but also SEG and EIA solutions. We've gained a large customer base. Therefore, when our customers adopt new email services other than ours, they often prefer a hybrid solution that leverages both our email protection or archiving and the Microsoft or Google email platforms. Observing our clients migrate to public cloud platforms like Microsoft 365 or Google Workspace may seem challenging for our business. However, as an independent local company, we have competitive advantages such as compliance with local regulations, localization, and user-friendly UI conventions tailored for Asian markets. We've developed a new service called OSecure to safeguard M365 and GWS and provide archive solutions for them. I want to point out that off-site backups or maintaining on-premises storage give clients extra peace of mind. Since enterprise archiving must retain data for years, for example, they have to keep emails for former employees for compliance reasons, the cost of storing on Microsoft or Google can be prohibitively high. Therefore, clients tend to continue adopting our services to ensure protection, deploy APT solutions, and fulfill essential backup and archiving tasks. Let me share why our customers, especially large companies like Zycel or UMC, would adopt Mailbase over Exchange. For lawsuit request or simply an internal audit requirement, the IT staff on an Exchange environment need to download and build indexes for their request emails before they can search within those emails. These downloading and indexing processes often take days or even weeks if they have the wrong set of emails or if the audit department changed their request. However, with Mailbase, thanks to its powerful information retrieval system and Dr. Wu Sheng, while similar to how Google handles web page search, the indexing process is done when the email first appears in the archive system. And the search process finishes in seconds or dozens of seconds, even when dealing with terabytes of text data. Even if IT staff need to pull years of data, Mailbase, just like Google, quickly delivers the correct results. Every customer who has migrated from Exchange to Mailbase has been eager to share their significant time-saving experiences with us. We believe that transitioning to cloud services is a necessary and irresistible trend. For clients with sufficient budgets, Adopting international platforms like M365 and GWS is a sensible decision. However, our extensive email protection and archive portfolio remains fully compatible with all kinds of solutions. This flexibility allows our clients to seamlessly integrate different protection and storage options, utilizing the power of hybrid cloud. While Openfind is not the only third-party solution that works with M365 and GWS, many other SEG and EIA vendors are transitioning like us. We are confident that we are on the right path. In Japan and Taiwan, enterprises and public sectors are migrating from on-prem to cloud for three main reasons. First, cost effectiveness. For instance, Japan's accounting systems financially encourage firms to adopt cloud services. Second, disaster mitigation. As both Japan and Taiwan are countries prone to severe earthquakes. Third, cloud service enable the use of the latest features which enhance cybersecurity. If a company wants to adopt new technologies like FIDO or biometric authentication, they'll have it right in the cloud service they use. Now that we have reviewed our observations on emerging APT samples and shared insights on the transition from on-prem to hybrid cloud for email security, please allow me to explore opportunities for international collaboration with you. Currently, with a 50 to 60% market share in certain domains within the Taiwan market, Openfind has not only proven our expertise, but given the current global situation and Taiwan's geopolitical position, we have also gathered extensive experience in defending against state-sponsored hackers, which is far more than we initially anticipated. Nevertheless, we held strong and continuously improve our protection and technologies. We have successfully entered the Japanese market with the assistance of a local partner for over 20 years. Our product and cloud services have established a significant presence there. Based on the market research conducted by Fuji Chimera Research Institute, our mail-based product, co-branded with our partner as a Japan brand, has been the leading brand in Japan for 15 consecutive years in terms of market share. It's really a very competitive product. So if you are interested in outperforming Microsoft in this domain, please make sure contact us right after this section. Our mission is to help users and administrators accomplish their communication efficiently and securely. Our value proposition not only includes comprehensive features for users, but also include thorough, secure controls built in for administrators. Besides the flagship email system, our secure email gateway and email archiving fit the demand for regularity compliance and disaster recovery. The compelling portfolio of communication and collaboration can be delivered in many ways, including on-premises, public, private, or hybrid cloud. In different regions, we provide different business models and cooperate with local partners. These are some of the customers we have in Japan and Taiwan. We also received the Taipei Computex Best Choice Award for our all-secure cloud protection. Additionally, multiple products earned the Taiwan Excellence Badge in 2023. These accolades are testaments to our product quality and our commitment to advancing software development and security defense. Once Gartner researcher Mr. Daly was impressed by our products and offered such kind commendations. Thank you. And he also encouraged us to explore the possibilities in different markets. We have experience collaborating with ISPs and cloud service providers to establish new services and serve customers in new markets together. If you need architecture flexibility, have special requirements for customization or integration, and you understand our competitive advantage from today's presentation, we are very interested in international collaboration. Please contact us. Thank you for your time today. Here are the contact info of me and our company. Hope we can meet you soon. Bye-bye.